Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Math with Mr. G. I am here for my students at the Syracuse Academy of Citizenship, and today we're going to go over some of the questions for Zearn Mission 6, Lesson 15. Today is the second to last Zearn mission in this unit for decimals and fractions. Today we're going to look at how decimals and fractions relate to money so we can start applying this to some real-world skills. So if you have a whiteboard or a marker, a pencil or paper, please grab those right now and we can go through this together. Okay. In front of us, it is asking that we give the total amount of money in fractions and decimal form. So when I see the word total, that is a big clue that I'm finding either the addition or the multiplication, right? We're adding things up or multiplying things. So I'm going to look here, 2/4 and 3 dimes. When I see and, that's a big clue for addition. So to solve this, I have to first determine how much each of these is worth. So I know 2/4, each quarter is worth 25 cents. I know if I have 2/4, I have 50 cents. So I'm going to put decimal and 50. And 3 dimes, I know each dime is worth 10 cents. So 10, 20, 30. So I have 30 cents. And very simply, I just need to add these. So like I always say, we should be doing this vertically. So over here on the side, I'm going to do 50 cents and 30 cents in a vertical addition sentence. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then add the decimal, 80 hundredths is our answer for decimals. Now, we're not done yet because we have found it in decimal form, but we need to now put it in fraction form. So we're going to convert this decimal sum we have here into a fraction. And the easiest way to do that is just to look at the place value we have, which is hundredths. So I'm going to put it over 100. And I know we have 80. So 80 hundredths. That's simple. And if you need any more help with understanding exactly how I came to that conclusion or came to that conversion, I did quite a few videos a few Zearn lessons ago on exactly how to solve that and convert that. So this is the best way to do this with money, and you'll see a lot of examples like that today. Just keep in mind what each of your things, pennies, quarters, dimes, nickels, are all worth. You might need to do some vertical addition if you can't remember exactly, for instance, how much 3/4 is worth or 4 dimes. You could also multiply, but addition is probably your safest bet to do this. I look forward to seeing your work, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.